You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's create a new group chat in Discord. Start by opening your Discord app and look at the top left corner next to the home icon. You will see a direct message list. Click the plus sign next to where it says direct messages. A new window will pop up. Here you can start typing the usernames of the friends you want to add to the group. Select each person from the list that appears. You can add multiple friends this way. Once you have selected everyone, click the create group DM button at the bottom. Now you can give your new group a name by clicking on the default text at the top. You can also add a group icon by clicking the image area. Type your first message in the text box at the bottom and press enter. Your new group chat is now active and all added members will get a notification. Remember, this is a direct message group, not a server channel. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's send a photo message directly to a friend on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you are logged in. Tap the inbox icon at the bottom of your screen, which looks like a speech bubble. Now select the conversation with the friend you want to message or tap the compose icon to start a new chat. Inside the chat, look for the plus sign or the gallery icon next to the text input field. Tapping this will open your phone's photo gallery. Browse and select the photo you wish to send. You can also take a new picture instantly by using the camera icon within the chat. After selecting your photo, you have the option to add text, stickers, or effects before sending it. Finally, tap the send button, which is usually a paper plane icon. Your photo message will be delivered directly to your friend's TikTok inbox. They will get a notification that you have sent them a picture. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. Open the Messages app and select the conversation you want to personalize. Now tap on the contact's name or the letter I at the top of your screen. This will open the conversation details. Scroll down and tap on the option that says background. Here you will see a few different categories. You can choose a solid color for a very clean look or select one of the provided gradient options. For more fun, tap photos to use an image from your own library as the backdrop. You can adjust the photo's position and opacity using the slider so your text remain readable. Once you are happy with your choice, tap set in the top right corner. You can set it just for this specific chat or for all of your message threads. Remember, this background change is only visible on your own device, not the other person's phone. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.